na dumating, ang daming dumating. Ano? Imagine mo, nag-book tayo for this crystal cave, fully book. Yung pala, maraming kumuha siguro ng slot na yung mga driver.
Oo. Dami pa lang bumibili ng ticket. Tsaka yung ibang nakabili, hindi pa pala papasok, kaya kinakailangan maglibot-libot muna. Ayun, no, karami pala nung may mga lilibot pala rin sa likuran na tourist na may mga bandera pa. At hali-hali rin ang pagpasok. Yan. No. Malilibang ka naman dito sa likuran eh. Maganda. Yeah. Punta ko ngayon gawing dulo ng konti. Siguro mamaya pa kami kasi mapapasok kasi pupunta muna ako rito. Yeah. May manok ba? Yun yung manok ko. Yun. May mga manok. Yeah. Yung mga nag-aantay na rin yun. May mga kasamahan yun na kumukuha pa ng ticket. Kami sila baby, kumukuha naman ng ticket sa taas. Mabuti hindi kami sa online bumili ng ticket. Mahal sa online. May $100 ng isang tao. 160 ata is per head. $160. So, $129. Ganon. Dito, medyo nakamura kami. Yung ganda ng kahoy, oh. Yeah. Ayun, yung mga tourists, oh, yun, no? Lilibot. Siguro nanggaling na rito sa loob yan. Yeah. Naglilibot dito sa loob. Ganda rin kahoy na rin. Ano yan ba? Kahoy nata. Rubber tree. Hindi naman rubber tree. Maliit ang dahon. Oh, yeah. Ganda. Yan. Ay, ito pala 81 steps. Hindi kayo pumasok na hindi nakakabili. May walang kasama o yung may differences pa pala. Yan, papasok na kami. Sa kuweba.
Please listen to the rule that I said that we are not allowed to touch the formations. Now, I have to highlight this because yesterday someone asked me, could they lick the formations? Yeah, we get crazy questions every day. Not sure. I don't judge, but we have rules in place, okay? So please, guys, no touching or licking in the cave system, okay? You got that? Now, guys, we are going to go down the steps. Please, guys, hold on to the railing just to avoid any accidents, okay?
Mahaba rin pala ito.
Wala na sila. Hindi tayo magkaligoy.
Hindi tayo maliligaw. Ito lang ang balikan eh. Umpisa na pala ito. Ayan. Lalim na.
Nagkasalita na din.
Paano mo yun?
Go. Go. Stairs. Nagsisimula na pala, oh.
Yeah, it's it.
bag ko. I can do it.
Kaya ba?
Yeah. Mahaba pa yan.
Sayang na rin.
For about 5 minutes. I'm going to tell you guys a bit about our crystal cave, and then we are going to go straight across to the very end. Now take your pictures. I'm sure we'd rather be taking pictures than to hear me talk. Just give me 5 minutes, all right? Now guys, Crystal Cave was discovered in just 1907, okay, just by two 13-year-old boys. One of those boys being named Carl Gibbons, the other one Edgar Hollis. Now these two crazy boys were playing the sport of cricket on a hot summer's day. So I do have to ask, do we have any big cricket fans in the building? But before you lie, I'm not a big cricket fan myself, so if you're not, it's fine, all right? Any big cricket fans in here? All right, we're off to a good start already. But here on the island, guys, it is our national traditional sport, bit of a big deal. So these boys were playing that sport of cricket on a hot summer's day when Carl Gibbons smacks the ball into the trees. So like any normal person, he just went to go retrieve that ball. But in the bushes, guys, live at the very end of the tour, I'm gonna have you guys look straight up. All right, you are gonna see some sunlight coming down into the actual cave. So you guys get where I'm going with this pretty much. We can tell that these boys had great decision-making skills, right? These guys decided it would be a great idea to come down here with a kerosene lantern and a bunch of rope. That's exactly what they did, hitting the cave waters. Now, guys, the cave waters, absolutely. Now, these boys were very unsuccessful in their search of that cricket ball. All right, but they did find something much more valuable. All right, so that the myth of this cave, guys, is that that cricket ball may lie in here today. So if you guys keep your eyes peeled, I can promise you free admission if you find that cricket ball. And also, I can maybe get a pay rise, okay? So just keep that in your heads. All right, now these boys went back up to the surface, told their parents. Now their parents were very angry, all right, ground up. All right, now over time, they will connect, meaning a stalactite and stalagmite, creating a column or a pillar, like this one right in front of me. All right, now over time, guys, they will expand like this one, until one day, it's like this one, until one day, it's like this one just behind me. So guys, the estimated growth rate of the formations in the cave system, the Crystal Cave and Fantasy Cave, is just 1 cubic inch every 100 years. All right, it's a very, very slow growth rate. That's why we tell you guys not to touch the formations because of those oils in our hands. Now, we don't want to mess up a very, very long time of growth. Now, looking at this lovely water, guys, this beautiful crystal clear water, I'm going to ask you guys, what sort of water do you think this is? Do you think it's just fresh water? Do you think it's salt water? What do you guys think? Fresh? Mineral. Mineral, I love that one. I love that one. Anyone else? So guys, it is actually a mixture of water. All right, that rainwater seeping through does cover the first 2 inches of water, and the rest is strictly salty. So the term used for that, guys, is brackish water. Now, the coolest thing about brackish water, because of the 2 sorts of water sitting on top of each other, it does create a magnifying effect. The water is very, very deceiving. So just around here, guys, you are looking at about 80 feet of water. I'm kidding. All right, just right here, guys, you are looking at about 5 to 10 feet of water around here. But the deepest part of the cave at our very end is actually 50 to 55 feet deep. Yes. So you guys, you are going to go in the very back. Once we hit the back, you are going to see a stalactite and a stalagmite that are about this close to connecting with each other. About 2 inches apart, so that could take about 200 years to form, if we think about it. So yes, very slow growth rate, 1 cubic inch every 100 years. All right, guys, anyone else before we get started? All right, perfect, guys. Now, when we go in, guys, take your pictures. Again, any questions, feel free to ask. But the second part of the tour is at the very end, so we are going to meet at the dock area, all right, guys? So once again, just mind your heads coming here, all right? have the snake's mouth.
Yung reflection
Okay,
sa
Cobra
lupa.
Kai,
Parang
just
sa
right here.
lupa.
Now, from the snake's mouth, guys, we do have the Statue of Liberty, but
Where?
you may have to squint a little bit. Just right here. All right, look at the Yeah, you can see the reflection there, right? Now, it doesn't have the crown, but you guys get it, right? Now, from the Statue of Liberty, guys, we do have our Starship Enterprise right here. Now, from the Starship Enterprise, we do have my personal favorite, the Cave Dragon. Now, you are going to look right here, see the teeth and the spine going all the way back. Oh, yeah. Now, scariest part of this cave, guys, is actually this phone that was dropped a few years ago right here.
Oh my God.
You guys, if you want to take a picture as well, feel free.
We can see.
You can see, Jacob?
Yeah. It's on my head. And,
Did the water drop on you?
yeah.
Alright, guys, gotta turn on the lights momentarily to get those last pictures on.
Ano baka masundot mo?
Hindi, malayo.
Take mo ako ng picture din.
Alright, guys, now we are going to be making our way up. So as we are leaving, take your last pictures. Slowly take your time across the bridge, okay? We do have another group trying to make their way in, alright? So we are going up.
Humingal ako ah.
Guys, take your time coming down.
Yeah. Ako pala una.
Malugus.
So very slow. Slow moving. Oh.
Malapit na kami dito sa labasan. Ayan. Pati si Baby, si Melda, tsaka si Pam. Ito na pala yung taxi namin, nag-aantay. Sige, at kami didiretso naman sa St. George. Pero yung sa St. George, bukod ang video nun. Kasi sobrang haba eh. Sige, at sana nagustuhan nyo itong aking video ngayon.